In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Mac computer. If you're just trying to take a screenshot of your entire window, here's what you need to do. You need to press on Shift, Command, and 3 at the same time and hold until it's going to take a screenshot and put it on your desktop. And it did sound like it took a little picture. First, it's appeared over here on the screen, and then it saved the file on your desktop on the top right. So if you double click on it, it's just going to show you your entire computer window, the one that we just took the screenshot of. And if you would like to just capture just portion of your screen, for example, let's open the Safari browser and let's say I just want to capture this part right here. So what we need to do, we need to press on Shift, Command, and 4 and hold until you'll see your arrow is going to change to this like a little plus sign. And then what you do, you press on your mouse pad, or if you're using just a mouse, and highlight the area that you would like to capture and then let it go. And it's going to appear on your desktop right here. And if you double click on it, you can see this is the part that you just highlighted and it took the screenshot. And once you're done, you can just click delete, done, or you can save it. And there is a third way. If you would like to just to capture your open window or open menu, what you need to do, you need to press on Shift, Command, 4, and space. And now you're going to see this little camera appearing and it's going to highlight your open window. And what you need to do, you need to just click on your mouse pad once and it's going to take a screenshot of your highlighted area. And it appears over here. If you click on it, it just took a screenshot of our open window. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.